If you don't like pollution but still rely on energy, then welcome to a cleaner future with endless energy. Picture this: no more fossil fuels. Endless energy means zero carbon emissions and crystal clear skies. Every sector from manufacturing to transportation gets a major upgrade. Energy costs plummet, making life more affordable for everyone. And wait for it, water scarcity, a thing of the past. We can purify and desalinate water on a massive scale. Imagine fresh water for every corner of the globe. Indoor farms everywhere grow food regardless of climate. From deserts to icy tundras, food production becomes limitless. Transportation will hit warp speed, affordable space travel, anyone. And with boundless energy, computing power and AI will evolve like never before. This isn't just a dream, it's the dawn of a new era. A fairer, cleaner, and more prosperous world is within reach. So, tech enthusiasts, get ready. The future with endless energy is bright, and it's just around the corner.